What is up, YouTube? It's been a really long time because I've been super busy with work. Right, Ray?
Yeah, same.
Yeah, we've been very busy with work. Non-stop working every single day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me too. I was going to die.
Oh my god, these are so cute.
I don't know.
So, updates. Joey got a Trans Am now.
Yeah. LS1.
Yeah, that happened.
It's
I
a
got
beautiful
a vet.
car.
Ray did not get a vet.
She's
So-
lying.
He didn't get a Trans Am.
Yes, I
either.
did.
He did get a Trans
It's
Am.
beautiful.
He did.
The vlog won't even know.
Here,
Ray had to get rid of her rims on Betsy.
Yeah.
And then Teggy still has that exhaust leak, which I kind of fixed, but not really. So that's what we're doing today.
What's up? Ooh, look at that hot ass Miata. Drop top light.
Dude, I love it. Just pull in like right next to the blue car.
It looks a lot doper in the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, this thing, I love it.
I love
Talk about this, if you don't mind. Well, first of all, this is Chris.
Yeah.
He's Ant's friend. So, that's what we got here.
It's a Mazda 3, 2005 hatchback. It's not stick.
Not
It
stick.
needs to be converted or swapped.
Alright.
It's literally a DM thing.
I got black rims.
Pretty dope.
I went to.
Oh, the red lugs. That's cool.
This is
Yeah,
actually a pretty
I
decent
painted the
shape. You see on the
calibers.
back, like that.
2.3, nice.
yeah.
It happens.
So it
Inside
is.
out.
So it's not
I went to
a speed 3.
No.
They had like.
If I had a speed 3 in this year, it would be great.
That would be.
Open the door for
It
you
was
so
like
you go on.
perfect. Everything.
Problem with this year though is that they have terrible torque steer.
Every single one.
My dad knows.
Yeah, they do. And then I got a kicker in the back.
Can I get a
Ooh, that's clean. This was Joey's.
We only.
He brought it over from the house.
I got it with like 132 on it.
Don't worry about it. I like this.
Okay.
Yeah, but currently the kicker's not working.
Oh no.
There's power going to the amp.
There's no power going to the sub.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fishy.
Oh, you want to see the rust part?
Yeah, I want to see that. I want to see that.
There's my rust part. But if you get under there, like you'll see.
Oh, it's all down there.
Yeah, it's bad. That's why I gotta get rid of it.
Yeah, just put some nail polish on it. It's fine.
Nail polish helps with scratches, dude.
Same thing.
So you have hood risers?
Yeah, spacers, yeah.
I like.
Spacers, yeah, risers.
I got the clips.
Yeah, the light bar in the front.
I can get it off.
That's
without
nice. I like
erasing.
that.
Yeah.
But you have a Mazda Speed badge.
Okay, well.
It was a little bit of a ricer mod.
Whatever.
It looked nice and it was like $5
Now,
on Amazon.
Ray
Still
is
makes
getting
work.
my sticker off my bumper because I didn't want to scratch the paint, and she said she can do it
Which
without a
sticker?
razor. The big long one. So the guy,
on the
before I
bottom?
got the car, he had like a long like college sticker on the back bumper. So
Oh, you should get in the Gugan.
yeah,
Right?
and I also had it on the windshield too.
Oh, dude.
Look, I actually need a wrench.
David needs a wrench.
What we doing?
Give David a wrench.
Seriously, can someone get me a... Yo, Chris.
Yeah.
What size wrench was it? Stop.
Here you go.
That was not necessary.
Very necessary.
I was just ambushed
Bye.
by silly string.
And now you're going for a ride with your friend Joe.
Oh, is this out?
Silly string.
What happened? Yours worked?
I'm just really excited to go ride.
We had a supplier here. Here's my left.
Hey David, record this. I missed.
Wow, that was so good.
Joey, I'll get you.
Yeah, she'll
It's the
get
last
you.
thing
In
I
your
do.
Chevy Blazer.
So I got this thing jacked up and I pulled the exhaust off. So what happened was I ordered this test pipe because like you guys saw in the last vlog, it was rusted off. The cat was rusted off. So I got this test pipe and it's a 1/4 inch too big. So I tried getting this
1/4 inch too long.
I tried getting this exhaust adapter, but the unfortunate thing about that is that the exhaust adapter and the actual pipe here were the exact same size. So I tried I tried squeezing the exhaust down to get it to fit inside the adapter, but it kind of didn't work, and I'm leaking out of that gap down there. I filled it with exhaust sealer, but that didn't really do much. So what we're doing here is the duct tape method, because duct tape fixes everything. So I'm actually just duct taping this onto my thing.
Guys,
Oh shit.
I was leaning down next to him and he was on the creeper.
Show him.
No, I'm not redoing that.
We'll do a
He ran over my pinky with the creeper.
Well, I didn't know you were behind me.
Literally dead right now.
Here,
I
let's
won't
do a
even
reenactment.
focus. No, Joey.
Ow, that hurt a
That's
lot.
not what happened.
Dude, look at this cool.
I don't see anything but blue.
Come here. Look at this cool as heck car. Look at it. It's so nice. It's blue.
We've seen it.
It goes fast. It has the blue. I mentioned it goes fast. And that's pretty much it for blue car. This thing. What do
All
we
right.
got here, sir?
Tell us project. Tell us your project.
There's power going to the amp, but not going to the speaker. So now I gotta probably rewire the speaker, or I probably have a blown speaker. It's a 50-50 shot.
All right.
That's a good thing.
It's not really that
Look
good.
at that.
Alright guys, so Ant went out to try to find some hose clamps or something, and then Ray and Joey went to McDonald's, and then Chris is over there working on his sub. What'd you find?
On a hill, nothing.
You didn't find anything?
No. I was so upset.
Oh,
so
no.
I went into the garage and I looked to where usually like all our exhaust clamps are,
Yeah.
and I couldn't find them. So
Oh.
I went to my brother's room and I said, "Yo, where are all the exhaust clamps?" And we did our whole garage redone,
Oh, okay.
and he threw them out.
But dude, this thing, it's embarrassing how thrown together this is, which I apologize because I try to do things right. I'm just saying this to justify this for the vlog. I try to do things right usually, and this car, I know that since I'm getting Froggy back, I know that I just need to do this temporarily and quick, and I don't want to spend a lot of money, so this is probably the cheapest way to do it.
We're vlogging again. We are now come to the conclusion that
Someone broke the speaker.
yeah, we're just gonna fix this.
David, the speaker's broken.
Alright, so David cut this sheet metal to wrap around the pipe.
Well, go ask him.
So what I did was, earlier when I taped this together just to hold it, I was like, you know, it'd be really convenient if I just could do that out of metal. And I was like, wait, I can do that out of metal. So I found this sheet metal over here, and then I just wrapped it around. So it's like I created like a connection here, and then I'm just gonna clamp down both sides, and on oh no, and that should be good to go. I just have to work out stuff like this. I might actually have a bigger problem.
What?
I don't think my muffler's there. I don't think my muffler's there.
What the fuck is that?
Wait, where? Oh, it's right here. How'd that happen?
Did you really just
No, my mom. No, I couldn't find it. It moved. My muffler moved.
Where?
It's right here. It's inside my bumper. Okay, so we're going to the 24-hour AutoZone to pick up a second exhaust clamp and a couple other supplies that we might need, like JB Weld and
Can Betsy even
other
make
stuff.
this?
Yeah, she'll make it. Here we are.
Look at the maximum.
Those are gold rims, yeah.
And it's like pink.
Alright. Gonna get what we need. David, you're weird. Okay guys, so as always, we go to buy one thing and we get a bunch of other things. I got this cool light here.
Blind them, why don't you?
Yeah, it's really blinding, but this thing's really sick. And it's like nice and thin. Hannah Ray's dad actually has one from Harbor Freight. And I've been trying to find it there, but apparently they only carry 8 at a time in each Harbor Freight. So they're really difficult to find, and I got really lucky that I saw this at AutoZone. Alright, Joey.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm not doing a poll. Fuck off.
I always tell you to do a poll.
It's 11:37.
I always tell you to do it.
Let's do a poll at night.
Okay guys, so last night it got too late and I was not able to finish Teggy. So out here before work right now. And I'm gonna do it. Gonna fix her. Guys, so I finally got it fixed. I was having issues with getting this all to fit. So this is the sheet metal I wrapped around. And then I actually took the adapter and I shoved it over the sheet metal because what was happening was the adapter was too long and I couldn't, it was like sticking out over to here and I just had to shove it back more, so I actually just shoved the adapter over the sheet metal and this actually ripped a little bit. And then I got some nice JB weld, extreme heat, and I just went all the way around and now I'm waiting for it to dry. So yeah, I'm hoping that this will finally fix it because I'm tired of smelling my exhaust like it's inside my car. It just makes me sick to my stomach and it's just not good for you. Okay guys, wow, my hair is crazy. Well, that's it for this vlog. Took a really long time to do my exhaust, but it's done. Not done right, but it's done cheap, which is just all I need with this car. And hopefully next vlog we'll be doing the engine and trans in the Ford. So we'll see, but stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.